This video is going to be dedicated to Parky. He no longer can, so we must continue on. This is a gold P sent to me by Doc Machina. That's the bidding. Let me get you a better look at that. That's the bidding on it. So to try to get into this, I'm going to use the multi-pick top of the keyway. And then just a multi-pick standard hook. So nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's 5. A little something out of 6. Something out of 1. A little something out of 2. A little something out of 3. Maybe 4. A little something out of 1. A little something out of 2. 3. 4. And 5. And it's open. So yeah, that is the gold P lent to me by Doc Machina in the memory of Parky. So